and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2017 CX-9 Touring. Now we'll start off at the front of the car, we'll run through some of the features and also the condition inside and out as well. Starting off at the front of the car, first thing you can notice is you get that lovely style front grille that the newer Mazdas do have. It really stands out and gives a good presence on the road. You also get color coded front parking sensors, and there are 4 of them. You also get really nice daytime rain lights in these beautiful headlights. As you can tell, there's very nice design on the headlights themselves, and then you just actually have your fog lights, little fog lights fitted down the bottom, but obviously they're going to do just as good as a job as any other fog light would do, even though they are a smaller size. Now the front of the car for a 2017 does present really well. I do apologise, it is a little bit dirty. There are a couple minor scratches on the actual the bonnet itself. As you can see, just one tiny one here, and I think there's another one just over here, but as you can see, very minuscule and nothing inconsistent for the age of the vehicle. We'll come around and we'll look at our first alloy wheel. Again, another good thing that Mazda's done here is actually design of the alloy wheel, and as you can see, this wheel is actually in really good condition, and you can tell it's got an absolute brand new tyre on there as well, which is always good for the consumer. Now moving our way down the vehicle, as you can also tell, we do get color-coded exterior mirrors and door handles. The mirrors themselves actually have the indicator integrated into the mirror, and the manufacturers do that these days just so they can clean up the panels a bit and give the car a nice sleek look design. You also notice you do get the plastic side skirts down the bottom and all over the wheel arches that goes around the whole body. Just going to open up the car and show you inside. So for a 2017, as you can see, all the leather's in really good condition, and it is really nice soft leather as well. As you can see, there's no marks or holes in the carpets. All the door seals are all unscratched. They're a little bit dirty, but still unscratched. And same with the doors. And you do get really nice leather on the doors as well. So really good styling by CX-9 and a real good job by the previous owner to keep the driver's compartment nice and clean. Also note that the windows have been tinted as well. It is a light tint, but they are tinted nonetheless. So would save you a bit of money down the future if you were going to get that done. The doors on this side are all in good condition as well. Coming to the rear alloy wheel now. As you can see, this one's pretty much an unmarked alloy wheel like the front one is, and you still got plenty of life left on that Yokohama tyre as well. Now we'll keep working our way down to the back of the vehicle now, where you will see you do have all your chrome badging. So you get the CX-9 badging, obviously your Mazda badging in the middle, and then your SkyActiv technology badging just over the side. You also get this really nice chrome garnish that goes into those real nice stylish headlights and just really sets off the back of the vehicle. You also get a high mount stop light and the rear windscreen wiper as well. Another thing I didn't mention is there are color-coded exterior reverse parking sensors as well, and you do get a reverse camera, which we'll show you once we get inside. Just opening up the tailgate. As you can see, being a CX-9, it is a 7-seater. Now the good thing with the actual seats themselves, when they actually fold down, they actually fold completely flat, so you don't lose any boot space whatsoever. Taking a look under here now, as you can see, it does look like we get a look like it's a full-size spare wheel, but not alloy spare wheel. So nonetheless, it is a good spare wheel. You also get a 12-volt socket just over here as well. So if the kids are in the back and they want to charge their iPhones or anything like that, they're more than capable of able to do that as well. Now we'll keep working our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. You'll notice that the fuel door's on the passenger side of the vehicle, so that is the safe side of the car. So if you did ever need to fill up, at least you know you're on the right side to fill it up. Again, another really good alloy wheel, just minor scratches on the wheel. They're not even scratches, just like the bit of the chrome has actually been marked off. That's about it really. And again, a good tire left on that tire as well. Oh, good tread left on that tire as well, sorry. Now coming down these 2 doors, as you can see, they are in really good condition as well. A little bit dirty, which I do apologise for, but as you can see, the overall condition is really good. Coming to that 4th and final wheel now, and of course you get another brand new tyre on the front wheel as well. And as you can see, it looks like another unmarked alloy wheel, even though it's the one that you park right next to the curb. So you can see, guys, with the exterior condition of the vehicle, previous owner's done a great job of maintaining the car. Alright guys, now taking a look underneath the bonnet. So what we actually have here is a 2.5 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. This engine produces a really good amount of power, 170 kilowatts and also 420 newton meters of torque. You do get a 6-speed SkyActiv drive sports automatic. You also get a 72-litre capacity tank that you can fill up on 91 or above, and even E10 for that matter as well. The good thing about this car, with the amount of power it produces and the actual weight of the car, is the fuel consumption. 8.4 litres to the 100 k's, so that's your fuel average. So out of a 72-litre tank, if you're looking at a maximum distance, you get anywhere up to 1,043 kilometres. now taking a look inside the interior in the CX-9, and the first thing you can say about the interior is how well it is designed and the actual quality of the materials they have used. Starting off on the driver's side door, you do have all your power window controls. Now the driver's side window is actually automatic, and that's up and down. You also have a button here as well to lock the windows, so if anyone does get a bit annoying, you can lock them out. And then all your mirror controls as well. Now just behind the actual steering wheel itself, you do have the iStop button. So having this button on will actually stop the car every time, or turn off the car every time you actually come to a complete stop. But it'll actually start as soon as you take your foot off the brake again. You have your blind spot monitoring as well. So if someone does come in your blind spot, the mirror itself will actually light up orange. Just a little corner in the mirror to tell you that someone is in the blind spot. And if you do indicate why they're in your blind spot, it will actually beep at you as well. You also have the traction control button, which you can turn off, so if for any reason you do need to turn that off, you can as well. On your right hand stalk, you do have your indicators, also your fog lights and headlights, and the headlights are automatic as well. And on the left hand stalk, you have your front and rear windscreen wipers, and they're also automatic as well. Now again, with the quality of the actual car, you can tell the steering wheel, really nice design with really nice leather on there as well. On the right hand side, you have all your cruise control settings. Left hand side, all your media control, and then your Bluetooth pickup and hang up just down below. Now moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, really nice screen that Mazda's gone with here. It is actually really good quality as well. As you can see, there are a couple different little applications you can use. So you do have your apps here, also your entertainment, you get your communication with your Bluetooth, satellite navigation, which I'll just quickly show you. So as you can see, easy to use and nice display as well. Also has a really nice reverse camera too. So as you can see, the quality of the reverse camera is actually really good. Also, as I mentioned, does have Bluetooth. It also has USB and AUX as well. So pretty much everything you need in that entertainment system itself. Just down below, you do get heated seats for the driver and the passenger. And then all your climate control buttons just down below. So as you can see, it is dual zone climate control, so you can have two different temperatures for the driver and the passenger, and then you have all your controls just there to show you what you actually is selecting. And that nice little screen that shows you exactly where the air is coming out and what temperature as well. Now there is a little compartment down here as well, probably somewhere where you chuck your phone or something like that. And as I mentioned before, your automatic Sky Active Drive gearbox. Now you can drive it as a normal automatic, or you can put it across to what they call the sport shift, and then you can actually shift through the gears manually. Also a driver selector here, so you do have sport and then back into normal. So sport's just going to make the car feel a little bit more power, and obviously give it a bit more torque as well. All your buttons to control the main screen, as I mentioned just before, and then obviously your volume button as well. And then you have your electric handbrake. So pushing this down will actually turn it off, and then putting it on will actually put it back on, and it will actually light up orange to tell you when the actual handbrake is on. Two cup holders that are spring loaded, so if you have a bigger or smaller cup, it's still going to fit regardless of the situation. You get a really nice leather wrapped armrest, which is actually quite soft as well, and then just pressing on either side, they both do open up. And as you can see, you do get two USBs, the SD, which is for the satellite navigation, and the AUX as well. Now I'm just going to get the camera person to pan around the interior, show you the condition of the vehicle, because as you can see, not only the condition is great, but also just how well styled the actual CX-9 is. Mazda's done a great job of not only fitting real premium materials in the car, but also making it a really nice design as well. Now we'll jump outside the car, guys, and we'll wrap up the video. So hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only the condition, but also some of the main features on the CX-9 as well. Now a couple of things just before I go that I would recommend on this car, especially the car of this condition and the amount of kilometers as well. I would highly recommend that you do take advantage of the premium mechanical protection plan we offer here. It's going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electric protection, 10 years of premium roadside assist with 250 kilometers of free towing, and unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim on 181 items. The other thing I would like to talk to you about, especially with the color of this car that it is, I would highly recommend that you do take advantage of the glass coat we offer here as well. It's actually going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle. Now these both products are an additional cost, but if you do use our in-house finance, Julie Mari will show you actually how minimal it affects the payment once you actually add both of these in. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google and over 960 reviews from our Australia-wide customers, and that's at 4.8 stars as well. Not only can you be sure you're buying a fantastic car, but you're dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Again, number to call, 99070555. My name is Jamie, and thank you for watching.